Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you be supposed to. So what is be supposed to? In order to learn be supposed to, we need to see the usage of be supposed to. Here we have a usage of be supposed to. So the usage here, what we generally expect to happen. What we generally expect to happen. Now it's time to see the structure. So the structure is here, subject plus be is am are supposed to first form verb plus object. Now see the examples of be supposed to. So the examples are, you are a citizen of this country, you are supposed to respect this country. You are a citizen of this country, you are supposed to respect this country. So what is be supposed to? For example, if there is a, for example, a policeman, so what will I expect from him? Definitely I will expect from him that he will not take bribe. Getting me? So this is expectation. So in order to show the expectation, what will I use? I use be supposed to. So what is the usage of be supposed to? What we generally expect to happen. Here we have example that the for example is, you are a citizen of this country, you are a citizen of this country, you are supposed to respect this country. So here what we are doing, we are expecting from him here, because if he is the citizen of this country, so he is supposed to respect this country. Getting me? Then we just example, you are a good person, you are a good person, you are supposed to do good thing, you are supposed to do good thing. Definitely what we are showing here, we are showing expectation. So why do we use be supposed to? Definitely to show expectation. Getting me? Now it's time to see the structure of be supposed to. So the structure is here, subject plus be is mr supposed to first form verb plus object. First we have subject. Subject means doer. Here we have you, here we have you. Definitely subject means doer, means who. It can be he, she, it, Navi plus .com, anybody. Getting me? The who. Then definitely we will use is mr. So if our subject will be I can say singular, so what we'll use, we will use is. If our subject will be singular, means that he, she, it, definitely these are called singular. If our subject will be singular, what we'll use, we will use is. If our subject will be plural, for example, if I say here they, we, ADB. So if our subject will be plural, what we use, we use are. And definitely if our subject will be I, what we will use, we will use am. Getting me? So here you can see here that this is plural, that's why we use are. If here we have plural, that's why we use are. Getting me? And definitely we use supposed to, and definitely we use first form of verb. What is meaning of verb? A word which is used to indicate that is called verb. For example, if I say here eat, if I say here sit, if I say dance, if I say alert. Getting me? So these all words are what? These all words are verb, because these all words are defining act. So here we have respect, here we have do. Getting me? Then definitely object. Object is very important. If I don't use object, so you will not get the proper meaning of this sentence. For example, if I say here, you are supposed to respect, you are supposed to respect, so you're confused. You are supposed to respect what? You are supposed to respect him, you are supposed to respect her, what? So definitely you can say this country, definitely this is object. Then we have that you are supposed to do, you are supposed to do what? You are supposed to do what? Getting me? So good things are called object. So object is telling the meaning of this sentence. So this was lecture on be supposed to. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz Amanla, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.